Hello, today we will learn about the input. So, how to take the input in a Python. So, it is a very essential. We have studied about a lot of concept earlier, but we have skipped some of concepts related to the which is very basics in a Python language, but I have just forget it. Today, I will cover up all the things which is related to the how to take the input from the user. So it is a very essential thing. So if you are making such any uh, code, so need to be dynamic. So users should not go to the edit the code. They usually provide whatever the input they have, and our code need to be work. So here input like in a Python, so input function will work. Just type input and whatever the message you want to be write it here, you should write it here, and in which variable you want to store it, you should store it, and it will work fine. So whatever the concept we had seen here, so let's see how it will works in code. So make sure whatever the variable we get, it will always in a string. So on the basis of requirement, you need to be converted. If you want to be integer, then you should convert it in int. If you want to be something else, then you need to convert it that. So that's the input function about it. So let's go to the coding part and how it will work. So see. So let's input variable. How to take input? Enter the number. We want to be a number in input. So we have written here the number, and we want to be need to be convert in integer. So just print what the input variable, sorry, and then we should run it. So like 1 2 3 sorry 4, and we got the input whatever we have stored it. And here we have converted into integer just because of I have earlier discussed about here in input will give a string format, so we need to be converted in the int class. So I want to be input in an integer, so here need to be converted. And some other other thing here we will discuss. So next thing is to discussion about how to take multiple input. In a Python. So how to take it? So whatever the input we have taken, so And we have seen some method in a string manipulation. There, if we want to be split out, so split function will convert you how much number of variable you want to be. So like here you can see we have provided 1 2 3, and here you can see there is gap. So we want to be split out on the basis of blank. Then we will get here how much variable here, 4 variable we will get. So that's how we will take multiple input in a Python. So let's see how it will works in a coding. So first of all, so we want to be take multiple input. So how we'll take, so like we want to be variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and it will take the 3 input. So just type it, and whatever the input we are getting, so we need to split it out on the basis of comma. Okay, and we want to print out all 3 variable, sorry, okay. Here you can see variable 2, and here we will write variable 3. And first of all we have to run it, and it will ask the input. So 3 2 hi, hello, then type it, enter, and here you can see we got 3 variables, 2 hi, hello. So this is the way we will get a multiple input by the split method. You can also split out in a different way, like we want to be split on the basis of a space. So how we will take so hi, this is, and it will split out on the basis of a space. Here you can see. So that's how we will get. And another thing is how to take input in a list. So input in list, so how we'll take the input. So first of all, whatever the input we are taking, so enter your input on the basis of whatever the parameter you want to be split out. You need to split it here, and you need to convert it into list comprehension. So it is easy to write it one, so like x, whatever the x we want to be for I in whatever the input variables we have taken here. So that's how we will take the input list. Here you can see. So first of all we need to take the how it will seems in a code. So list input. So first we'll convert it in list for I in whatever the input we are taking, enter your input. Then we need to convert it, split it on the basis of space. And then after that we need to print out. So first we will run it. Here you can see we need to split out on the basis of comma. That's how it will works. So thank you for today. We have seen about how to take the input in a different mode way, and next we will see the how it will execute our output. So that's all today. Thank you.